Hey everybody, welcome back to Glockster 42. We're out here mid-November 2011. Just checked the temperature gauge on the outside in the car. It's minus 27 degrees Celsius. Not real conducive for testing firearms when you can't feel your trigger finger, but what the hell? I got the days off, I got the time, you got to get out and bust her. So, like I say, we're going to get after the old Smith & Wesson Model 19. I have had this gun for years. In fact, this 4-inch, now prohibited firearm was my very first restricted weapon I had ever purchased at the time. My very first handgun, one of my first firearm purchases. I bought it when I was 18 years old, so I'm 46 now, so do the math. So we're going to get out and we're going to try the first factory ammo we're going to do some testing on is Hornady's 357 mag 140 grain FTX. I've never used this. It's 1440 feet per second. She's going to be a smoking little unit out of this thing. I don't shoot 357 in this a lot. Mainly it's 38 Special Plus P. But there's the 140 grain Hornady. We're going to get that going. It comes in a box of, how many is in here? 25 cartridges. This kind of stuff is hard to find up here. I just lucked out to a small little place just out in the foothills that had this and the other ammo I'm going to test here. So let's get the tripod set up and blast her. Hopefully the battery lasts in this cold weather. We're going to load up the 140s. I'm only going to throw in 3 here. I don't know what the recoil is going to be like. I don't know what the muzzle blast in this puppy is going to be like. So we got 3 rounds loaded up. Let's just see how miserable this puppy is to shoot. Man, not bad. I was expecting a little bit more jam. Let's go take a look, see the target. Alright, there's the 140 grain. She's shooting a little bit low and to the left, and accuracy isn't all that screaming fit. Maybe I'll try it again. I'll try another group with that puppy. Well, as you can see, accuracy in this those 140 lever action or 140 FXT are no screaming fit. They're nothing special. Gonna carry on with the 140 grain Hornady FTX test. I'm gonna do some just offhand at 12 yards shooting. 6 rounds here. It's day 2 of the shoot. It's warmed up considerably. It's about 7 or 8 degrees warmer, so it's only about minus 20, so it's much nicer out. The sun's shining, the wind's gone down. So we're going to do 6 rounds, slow fired headshots at 10 yards on the target. Alright, there's our 6 shots. And I can tell you right now, from compared to my 158 grain semi-wad cutters, this is shooting left compared to everything else. But let's go get on target and see how it looks. Alright guys, there's 6 rounds of 140 grain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 shot, nice little tight grouping there. But it is shooting left for some reason. Compared to my 38 Special. Now these are all shot double action from the same range, and it's shooting right dead center. So for whatever reason, these FTXs are shooting a little to the left. Are they worth the money? I don't know. We'll have to do a penetration and expansion test on it But accuracy wise, the hand loads are right up there with it. They're a lot less expensive, but then, you know, that's apples to oranges. A hard cast lead bullet to a polymer tipped expanding self-defense round. So until that point, I'm going to hold off judgment to say that if these shoot well in your handgun or your rifle, check them out, try them out. But for me right now, unless there's something spectacular in the expansion and penetration, I probably wouldn't spend the $1.50 per bullet that they want for them. So that's just my opinion. You know, others will have different opinions.